At once, Yumi left the room. So when Yumi was reluctant to help the man, she told Yumi to leave the room, to return to her own work. But this left Hana with the white man alone. And she was earlier scared to be with the white man all alone. She might have been too afraid to stay had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. But this time she was not afraid of being there all alone with the white man. Though he was just lying motionless, he was just helpless. But just the thought of being there with a person who could prove to be a danger in future for them had frightened her. But now, because she was mad at Yumi, very angry at Yumi, so because of her anger, she could endure the strain of being there in the room alone with the white man. Stupid Yumi. And she was just really angry at Yumi. She muttered fiercely, "Is this anything but a man? And a wounded, helpless man?" She was angry at the behavior of Yumi, at the incompassionate behavior of Yumi. So she muttered fiercely. She got very angry and she murmured, whispered, "Stupid Yumi." So unreasonable Yumi was, according to Hana, because she was not considering that man a human, and he was just a wounded, helpless man. So we can see that Hana was a very compassionate, considerate person. She had very humanly feelings. She was a very kind and generous lady. In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. She was angry at Yumi and she thought that she was completely wrong. She was not considering that man a human. And he was just a wounded, helpless man. So thinking that she was right, she was superior in thinking than Yumi on humanitarian grounds, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs. She untied the rugs of the that kept the white man covered, and she did that impulsively without thinking much, without giving any thought to it. Earlier she was scared to be with the white man, but now she was not thinking about it because she was angry. Her mind was occupied with other thoughts. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water and washed his face carefully. She started cleaning up the man with that hot water which Yumi had brought. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of a fine texture. She noticed that the man's skin was of fine quality, but it had become rough with exposure. He had seen a lot of rough times and must have been very blonde. Blonde means light colored, very fair when he was a child. So she thought that he must have been very blonde, very fair when he was a child. So she had developed humanly feelings for that man.